Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So inside day, starting on the daily chart, by the way, for Tesla, you can see inside day, higher low than yesterday, lower high, much lower volume, still waiting for either a breakout that's to the upside or a breakdown. Let's jump back to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, you see the top of the rotation zone holding right now. So I'd really be still focused on just slightly below that, about the 805 level. 805 level, we start seeing some minor buying pressure. If we do break below that, be watching just about 796 is my first stop. Then I'm going to jump out to the daily levels. Daily levels. Then we're watching right about, and these are shorter term levels, about 776, and then major coming in about 765. 765, you see bottom of the rotation zone, and some tails or wicks just above there. We have this key close. So those are all your minor levels based off the daily chart. To the upside, everything still stays the same as we've had for the last few days. It's really back in consolidation and congestion. It is still in bullish mode because we're above the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart and the daily chart and the weekly chart. It is looking to develop some weakness, but we're going to have to wait, especially until we break out of this range. Now, since we had an inside bar, if you want really good levels to watch, you can watch yesterday's low. So if you start getting below yesterday's low, especially on some key closes, and then dip into the 4-hour rotation zone, that's a good case for the short side. Above, if you get above today's high, since there's a lot of separation, that could be a short-term long run up until, and then watch for yesterday's high. Yesterday's high is going to be the first level of key resistance. So that doesn't mean it's necessarily breaking higher. I'd watch then for a break above yesterday's high to start confirming a move higher, and then a retest of the 843 level, and then a move above there for a full-blown breakout. Those are all your key levels in which we're watching for Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.